If you're an event MC or speaker and you're looking for an affordable professional way to advertise your business, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on the multi-site platform for your event MC service. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, Event MC. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop in our company name over here, as well as our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue, let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for my event MC service. And there you have it. It's literally done so with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some images of yourself in action, speaking at events, hosting events, and you want to showcase it on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to those that content that was pre-written. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional of any sorts. You can do it all yourself. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section over here. This is where you can pop in your contact details for your business, your email address. And I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on show email on site. You can also pop in your phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way, as well as your physical location, your street's address, but you can leave it off if you obviously are a mobile event MC and you travel to events. So we'll leave that one off for now. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a logo for your MC services, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. If you want to make amendments to that logo, click on the pencil over to crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save here on the right so you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you don't have a logo for your business, you don't have a huge budget for a designer either, I do recommend you check out canva.com or Hatchful. I've personally used them both myself, and they are great to create a free logo. Now, with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Under each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on that button update section. Head on over to update image. Over here is where you can browse your own devices. Otherwise, search photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You now have the option to also connect your Instagram accounts and automatically pull in those photos. Very convenient instead of uploading them all individually. Under the update action is where you can change that button, the text on the button, as well as where the button links to. You can link to another website if you take online bookings through a third party. Otherwise, a great option is to upload a PDF file with more details on your rates and services. Under the About Me section, you can make a little bit more personalized, perhaps put a photo of yourself over here. And in the last section is where we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you over here with details for their event that they'd like you to MC. You'll find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. You can also get notified via your registered email address you have a new lead from this form. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. You also have the option to purchase a domain. to make your website look even more professional and stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your event Emcee service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.